one base unit put in place, laser level line green marks around. You use a marker pen to mark some references, the reference points. Then to save the battery on the laser level, I can then just use my spirit level where I just marked it, draw lines across. And then I can put my spirit level on there. Keep them nice and even. This one here, slightly low. This one here is slightly high, but I still have to scribe the back of the unit. I also use the spirit level here to check. That actually is quite good. That just needs to come up slightly. So the whole unit just needs to come up about 5 mil. And then I'm going to cut round for some pipes, make some access for the stopcock and the service valves. All good.